Today on the menu is hamburgers, grilled hamburgers. Love the smell of barbecue. So here are the hamburger patties. I put season all on them. And really that's about it that you want to put on it. Okay, the temperature is about 300. Ooh, a lot of smoke. And they're ready to be turned. Uh-oh. No, that's okay. You're fine, you're fine. Better than Burger King. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to put the cheese now. This is bacon with cheddar. Oh wow, that looks good. Then we'll dress them up inside. Product with lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, ketchup, and mustard with the guacamole dip on the side. Enjoy. Okay, so we're going to cut it in half to show you the inside. Perfect.